Hi, today I'm going to be doing a light makeup look with you. It's one that I do when I don't want to put too much effort into it and I'm just going somewhere quickly, but I don't want to do like a whole face, makeup face on me. So I'm going to show you the light makeup look that I do, which has got almost no makeup on, which is my favorite look because I don't actually like wearing makeup too much lately. For the past few years, I like makeup. Like I've done a question and answer video, which I'll link up here if you haven't seen it, where I explain that I do like makeup. I just don't always like wearing makeup. So it's weird, I know, but I will just show you the light look that I do next. So first of all, I'm going to put primer on. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish color correcting primer. It's the green one, you know, so I'm going to put that one on. Now if you have a BB cream that you like to use, then you can probably use the BB cream, but if you don't, then you can just use your foundation that you usually use. So first of all, I'm going to use my ENQUIRIES foundation stick. So it looks like it is in sandstone. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm going to be putting that onto my face. And then I'm going to use my damp beauty blender to just blend it in. I'm going to just use some of my bronzer just to give, because I'm very white, so my face just needs a bit of color. And I'm going to use this brush that I got from Signature. It's a nice brush to put the bronzing on with. I'm going to use the beauty blender just to blend it in nicely. And then I'm going to use the foundation brush. It's from ENQUIRIES. Let me just open. So it looks like this. And I'm going to do the contour of my nose. Now usually if I've got my other foundation on, which is this one, then I would have put in a lighter color in like this over here, and you know, just to give it a bit of a highlight. But because I've got the other stick on and it is already very light, I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do now is I'm also going to put blush on. It's stick blush, which I got from ENQUIRIES. I don't know if they still have it. This one is in Orchid. And I'm just going to use a normal thing to sponge to just blend it in so I don't look like Pollyanna. If you're wondering what I'm looking at behind the camera, it's a mirror. Okay. Then I need to do my eyebrows. So first I'm going to use my eyebrow pencil just to do the outline over here. And then I'm going to use my eye lure. It is for the dark eyebrows, so it looks like that. And then I use the little brush that looks like a mascara wand to do this in. This just makes the color lighter so that it's not dark. So just to give my eyes a bit of a like color, you could say, but not, I don't want too much color. I'm going to be using the highlighter, but I'm going to be using the gold one, so this one over here, and I'm just going to put it at the bottom, just over the lid. I'm going to close my one eye, I can't see what I'm doing. Now I'm going to use just a black eyeliner. I'm just going to use black eyeliner on my eyes, and then I'm going to smudge it a bit with a with one of these, just to give it that like smoky look. And yeah, that will basically be my eyes done, besides the mascara. I'm just going to use a normal mascara, not like one that makes it look longer, or fiber mascara like I would usually do. This one is from Catrice Glam and Doll False Lashes Mascara in Blackest. So I've just put the mascara on. Now I'm just going to clean it up nicely with this little mascara wand brush. And then I'm going to put the black liner on the inside of my waterline, which I like doing. I know some people don't like doing it. And now I'm going to just put my highlighter on. I'm just going to use the setting spray. It's just a cheap one. And usually I would put lip liner on if I'm going to do my lips, but I'm not going to do that now because it's just a quick lip that I want to do. This is a matte stick from Signature in the color Dark Berry, but I don't want it matte, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of a like a gloss on first. I'm just using, it doesn't even have the name on it, but I think it's a Signature one. And I'm just going to basically dab it. And that's the lipstick done. So I'll be back now to reveal. So this is the makeup look done. It's just a quick and easy look. Just something that you can just put on quickly if you want to go out and you don't want to not wear makeup. So it's like I say, it's just a light look, not anything too fancy. Let me show you the makeup closer. So I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if it helped you, can you please give it a thumbs up? I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed already, if you can please do so and click the subscription block below, because it shows support for my channel, which I really do appreciate as well. All of my social media links will be in the description block below, including my blog, which is where you'll find more content from me. And also, if you go to my Patreon account at www.patreon.com/Ondeane Lourens, you'll also find more content from me, as well as it's the best place for you to support what I do on this channel and also what I do on my blog. So I hope that you have a lovely day further. Keep your crystal on and your sparkle strong. Goodbye.